Hello, welcome to Do-It-Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the options and how to turn on show notifications while screen is off function in Samsung Galaxy S22. So where to look for notifications options? Of course, settings. Then we are looking for notifications menu and notifications pop-up style. And here we have our function, show even while the screen is off. By default it should be turned on, but if for whatever reason it's turned on off, we have to just tap it once, and now our pop-ups will be visible. And that's all. I don't need to save, just back out to the main menu, and now our option is active. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video.